Welcome back mga kabalen. Today we are going to cook another Kapampangan dish and it is called kilayin. Not kilawin, but it is called kilayin. So let's go! Here I'm using 2 pounds of skinless and boneless pork leg, but you can use also pork butt, pork loin, or pork bellies. And I am using also 1.5 pounds of pork liver, and I am omitting pork lungs. Kilayin has 3 main ingredients, which is the pork loin or pork butt, and pork liver, and pork lungs. I cut the meat into cubes about 1.5 inches. Other ingredients, we are going to be using bay leaves, jalapeno peppers, fish sauce, and coarse ground black pepper. And we are using lots of garlic. This is 1 whole head of garlic and also 1 medium size of onion. First, I'm going to wash the liver with vinegar. This is just to wash it, to remove the smell. So we'll just leave it there and throw the vinegar later on, about just 1 minute. Before throwing the vinegar, we're going to let the vinegar penetrate in the liver. So what I'm going to do is just massage the liver in the vinegar. So here I'm going to throw the vinegar. Okay. Now I'm going to put about 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar into our meat and also in the pork liver. Now I'm going to massage our pork leg in order for the vinegar to penetrate. So just keep massaging until you feel that the vinegar already penetrated well. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the liver. Just keep massaging so that the vinegar will penetrate well, and also to remove the smell in the liver. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of patis or fish sauce here, and here, or to taste. Then massage again. Now after putting the patis, you massage. to penetrate the taste of the vinegar and patis. Now we'll do the same thing with the liver. Okay, so now we combine the two and massage. It's a lot of massaging on this one. And we'll marinate it for about 30 minutes. You can adjust the vinegar later on if it's lacking the tanginess. Okay, we'll be back in 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to put the bay leaves, and I'm crushing the bay leaves. And also I am putting coarse ground black pepper. And mix. Now it's time to saute. Garlic first. I am going to cook the garlic until they are light golden brown. In the meantime, while I am sauteing the garlic and onion, I am simmering the mixture of pork and liver. Now we can put the onion. Cook the onion until golden brown. Now the garlic and onion are already cooked. We can pour them in the mixture of liver and pork. And mix so that everything is incorporated. I'm not going to put the lid because it became watery. I will leave it uncovered so that the liquid will evaporate. And cook it for about 30 minutes or so. So after 15 minutes, there's still a lot of liquid. So I'll just keep on simmering until the liquid evaporates, and we'll leave it open. This is about done, and to add a kick, I am putting jalapeno pepper. To taste. Smells good. It's just right. So this is already cooked. So we're going to turn off the flame or the stove. So here is the finished product. It is quick and simple. Our pork kilayin, another Kapampangan dish. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I welcome all your comments. See you on my next vlog.